Namaskar, Adab from 1 by 12 Mandi sir. This PPT is being made to make you to understand what are the Mandi sir's slogans. Essentially, there are three types of slogans, 1, 2 and 3. This video is being made to explain to the readers what Mandi sir slogans are. Welcome to Mandi sir audio PPTs. बेचो सोचो सीखो बेचो सीखो सोचो सोचो बेचो सीखो. This is the slogan which you often hear from 1 by 12 Mandi sir. Let you know the meaning of this particular slogan. There are apparent and directly sounding three things. Bechna is learning. Selling is the learning. Number one. Number two. Abhi bechna is learning. Abhi bechna is learning. Selling now itself is the learning. Third. Khud bechna is learning. Oneself, the learner oneself is selling is real learning. Selling is the learning. Now selling is the learning. You selling the learning is learning. These are three important apparent and direct points Mandi sir slogan try to inform. One more thing to note. Selling means much more. Selling is not just a transfer of product and also money from one to the other. Selling is lifestyle. Selling is the merging of a seller and buyer into one unit. It is ekikata. There is no buyer and seller once the transaction is being done. It is understanding, it is convincing, it is understandable society. That way Mandi sir uses selling concept. There are certain things which are indirectly conveyed and they are more important than what is being directly conveyed. Try to note these invisible things of Mandi slogan. Invisible number one, kharidna is not learning. Buying is not the learning. In contrast, Mandi sir says selling is the learning. Number two, invisible number two, बाद में बेचना is not learning. Tatkal, turant, immediately, without wasting time, selling is learning. This is invisible 2. Number invisible 3. गुलाम बन के मालिक का नाम पे बेचना is not a learning. It is खुद बेचना. The learner oneself is selling is the real learning. There are three direct things, but there are three exactly opposite things which the slogan try to communicate. Hope you note the points. When Becho, Siko, Socho slogan is being given, these questions will come up in the mind of the learner. These questions are being floated for you. मैं क्यों बेचूं? मैं क्या बेचूं? मैं कितना बेचूं? मैं कब बेचूं? मैं कैसा बेचूं? मैं कहाँ बेचूं? मैं किसको बेचूं? These are the 7 questions probably will crop up in the mind of any learner. Mandi sir would like to repeat these slogans. मैं क्यों बेचूं? मैं क्या बेचूं? मैं कितना बेचूं? मैं कब बेचूं? मुझे टाइम नहीं है. मैं कैसा बेचूं? मुझे मालूम नहीं बेचना. कहाँ बेचना? जगह कहाँ है? माई कहाँ बेचूं, किसको बेचना है? These are the 7 questions crop up in the mind of student. Mandi sir would like to answer these 7 questions in Mandi sir style. मैं क्यों बेचूं? बेचेगे तो सीखोगे. The answer is बेचेगे तो सीखोगे. खरीदने से सिखाई नहीं होता है, बेचने से सिखाई होता है. This is the first answer. मैं क्या बेचूं? जो जो सीखा उसी को बेचो. Whatever you learned, that itself you learn, sell it. If you are learning physics, you should sell physics. If you are learning Sanskrit, sell Sanskrit. जो जो सीखा उसी को बेचो. कितना बेचूं? मैं कितना बेचूं? जितना सीखा पूरा बेचो. How much to sell? What all you learnt, you sell it. जितना खोया पूरा पाओ. Actually, कितना बेचो, the answer lies in जितना खोया पूरा पाओ. मैं कब बेचूं? It's about time. It's about urgency. जब जब सीखा तत्काल बेचो. जब जब सीखा तुरंत बेचो. Mandi sir will not allow the learner to relax. Urgency to sell is stressed in the slogans. कैसा बेचूं? बेच बेच के बेचो is the easiest way to do that. There is no way to learn selling. Selling is the only way to learn selling. बेच बेच के सीखो. बेच बेच के बेचो. कहाँ बेचूं? जहाँ सीखा उधर ही बेचो. If you are learning in village, you sell in the village so that village will better off. If you are learning in a Mahanagar, sell in that Mahanagar. Initially, for the learning, the learner has to apply the learning in that place where one is learning. There is no point in carrying the learning to some other place and doing. Of course, in future that can be done. But the urgency is जहाँ सीखा उधर ही बेचो. कहाँ बेचो is answered in Mandi style like this. किसको बेचूं? जो कोई लेगा उसी को बेचो. There is no need to select buyer. Any buyer who would like to take it, let them buy it and understand why the other person is buying. When somebody is selling, they don't look at who is buyer. As a seller, you are interested. You are not doing any damage to somebody else. Somebody is interested to buy. Why somebody is buying, it is their choice. They know, the customer knows very well why he or she is buying from you. किसको बेचूं? जो कोई लेगा उसी को बेचो. It's easy. And Mandi sir, the 7 questions are clarified very well. Let the Mandi sir repeat. बेचेगे तो सीखोगे. जो जो सीखा उसी को बेचो. जितना सीखा पूरा बेचो. जब जब सीखा तुरंत बेचो. बेच बेच के बेचो. जहाँ सीखा उधर ही बेचो. जो कोई लेगा उसी को बेचो. The whole philosophy of Mandi sir is being revealed in this slogan. Education expenses are earned by the learner oneself, by the learner self, in education, through education, and for education. Education expenses, huge expenses, are committed and incurred by the learners. And the learner can make that expenses earned in education and through education. There is a reason why one should do in education. There is a reason why one should do through education, because To get the best learning, to make the learning the best in education, through education, earning the learning is the most important thing. And the purpose is for education it is being done. This slogan can be made in Hindi, English and Marathi and Telugu. Let Mandi sir give this slogan in Hindi, in Marathi, in Kannada, in Telugu. पढ़ाई की खर्चा पढ़ाई में, पढ़ाई से पढ़ाई के लिए निकालो। पढ़ाई की खर्चा पढ़ाई में, पढ़ाई से पढ़ाई के लिए निकालो निकालो निकालो। In Kannada, ಇಂದಿನ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣದ ಖರ್ಚನ್ನ ಇಂದಿನ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂದೇ ಸಂಪಾದಿಸಬೇಕು. In Marathi, शिक्षणाचा खर्च शिक्षणामध्ये, शिक्षणाकरिता, शिक्षणासाठी कमवा. Let Marathi repeat again. शिक्षणाचा खर्च शिक्षणामध्ये, शिक्षणाकरिता, शिक्षणासाठी कमवा. In Telugu, చదువు ఖర్చు, చదువు ఖర్చు, చదువులోనే, చదువుతోనే, చదువుతూనే తీయాలి, తీయాలి, తీయాలి. The philosophy can be understood with this slogan. Education expenses are earned by the learner in education, through education and for education. Share 1/12 Mandi sir philosophy. Speak about 1/12 Mandi sir philosophy. Like or hate 1/12 Mandi sir, but don't keep neutral. Hope you subscribe to Mandi sir channel. 1/12 Mandi sir channel. 1/12 means 1/12. If student is spending 12 rupees for an education, the student must earn 1 rupee out of 12 rupees what is spent. 1/12 meaning is that the whole video is being made how this 1/12 can be made possible. Thank you very much. See you. Bye.